Okay. We caught a trade earlier. I I took this one over here. This 1 minute inversion. I got break even pretty quickly because it took out some highs. It took out this high over here, as well as this high in this candle, and then we got a break even off of it. But as you can see, it was pretty accurate. I took it because of this 1 hour tap, as well as this 15-minute fair value gap tap, as well as this breaker right here, very clean. It's a unicorn model, as well as an order block. However, I must say, this trade took 5 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to inverse this 1 minute. So it was really sketchy, especially with how it's looking, where each candle did not take out its previous low, and then we left equal lows. So we got a quick break even on that trade. I'm hoping this 4-hour inverses, and then we get a 15-minute retracement into this candle to long to this Monday 9:45 a.m. highs and London highs as well. Those would be pretty good longs. And if we respect this 4-hour, then potentially target all these lows down here. There's a liquidity pool below this low. Yeah, but you can see we had a SMT with ES right there, which was another confluence for that long earlier, but yeah, it looked pretty good. But we got break even. I put some music on. Well, it's always been on, but I increased its volume. Four-hour inverses in about 11 minutes. So until then, we have to sit on our hands, especially with this wide range that we just created. We also had these eco lows down here. That was a potential target to the downside if we got it. We tapped this premium 15 minutes, which is also the optimal trade entry of this entire range. As you can see, and it's perfectly in the 0701 spot. That's like the best entry you could get of a range. So potential short here, but we'll see, because it is also a 4-hour fair value gap, which is also very nice for shorts, but we are in a very, very bullish market, so there's a problem with that. But as you can see, we are respecting it, just nothing to have taken the shorts into. Now we're tapping into the 5-minute that we just made. So we'll see if we inverse this 5-minute and then we get something like a retracement back into the 5-minute and then continuation short. That would be a very good short down to all these lows. There's a liquidity pool here during London. Very nice liquidity pool. We did not sweep anything here, so there's that as well. And then we are way above the midnight opening price, so this is good. So that way we can short. And then as you can see here on the opening range gap, we came down and we closed like what, maybe 20% of it, 30% maybe, pushing 40. But here we're dumping. That's what I want to see if we're still bearish here. And if we get this candle, we'd go in with micros, I guess. Target these lows all the way down here. Or we can wait for like a retracement. Let me see this. Yeah, same thing on the micro chart. Oh, we'll see. We'll see how we act. Yeah, we target these, but with my current funded account, I'd have to target like around 50 points because it's the 40% consistency rule. I can't really violate it, which is unfortunate, but It's okay. Sometimes it yields us negative RR. Well, that's pretty fucking obvious, isn't it? Alright, let's see here. What if... I don't want to see a rejection from this 5 minute. I want to see a clean close in the next minute 20. There's equal lows right here. I'm hoping we hold off for me to be able to take it. We have 1 more minute. Maybe we catch a little retracement. Just a small one. Just enough to be able to come back into this 5 minute to close it. Okay, keep going back up. Because look how we have all these down close candles. Okay, we tapped the 5 minute equal lows, or 1 minute equal lows, sorry. Alright, we're gonna risk it. We'll do like 5 is fair for this trade. But I am expecting a little tap up. I don't want to miss out on this trade. That's the FOMO, but we did get an up close candle actually. Alright, let's just short here. Stop will be above that. And then TP from here will be 25. Handles, which would be 50 on a micro. So right around there would be the TP. It's 51. No, it's not. Give me a second. That's the entry. Yeah, so right around there would be nice. And now we just let this trade ride. We'll go break even at this 15 minute over here. Which, let's manage the trade on NASDAQ rather than this. Okay. So we did respect the 4 hour. We have 950 to 1010 macro. And we're dumping nicely here. And we're tapping that 15 minute, which makes me want to go break even. Q. 4. Alright, well, we left equal lows here, but it is at 950. I think we could get a better entry than this, honestly. I really do believe it. Ah, shit, we closed in the negatives. We took a little hit there. I made 30 bucks earlier with that break-even trade, but I think we're gonna get a better entry here. I really do believe it, especially with the 10 o'clock opening here. And 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I feel like we could get something like a retracement into this 5 as a manipulation higher from the 10 a.m. Judas swing, because we're going down there. We are. Like, this would be the trade here, but I want to see I really want to see that retracement higher first, leaving this candle open right here. I don't want to see that one tapped. It's gonna run without me. No, it's not actually. It's gonna give me that retracement. So 10 a.m. is gonna open. It's gonna look like this. We're gonna get a retracement higher, somewhere like around here. I'll re-enter, and then we're gonna get a much better trade that way. Because here we're too much in a discount where we entered. However, it's still pretty nice. But let's see this 5-minute hopefully give us an entry. Let's go on the ES here. I mean Nasdaq here. Don't want to see that low taken out without us. If that low gets taken out, that's our break-even point. For a bigger trade. Okay, 1 more minute until the 5-minute. It'd be best if we got up there and we even set up a breaker, because that way I don't have to put my stop up there. I can put my stop above the breaker high. So that's something else to look for. It'd be nice. It'd be very good. Okay, let's see here. So we're respecting that 15 minutes still. We have another SMT. Well, it's the same SMT, but we did it again. So that's something to look for or note. Okay, there's that 5-minute tab that I was telling you. I told you we're gonna get a deep ass retracement. But damn, we got a little more than a retracement. That looks like there's some bullish momentum behind it, especially with that SMT. Oh no, there's no SMT here. It's just the 15-minute one. But Nasdaq and ES look very bullish here. I mean bearish. So here's the 9:59 candle, and then here's the 10 a.m. candle. Let's give it like 2 minutes before we consider re-entering. Because once again, this is like the breakaway gap to me. Like we consolidated a very, very small amount, and we just expanded lower very quickly. So I don't want to see this tap. I don't want to see this tapped at all. That it's like my no-no zone. Okay, let me get rid of this background right there. Get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. I don't know what that was. Oh, that was that. Okay. And then let me set up this. Okay, well, we're tapping it. Let's see if we close above the mean threshold of that. I mean, consequent encouragement of that. If we do, then we're probably just gonna keep going higher, honestly. It's reaching, guys. This definitely demonstrates how bullish we are, though. So we're probably gonna set ourselves up for longs here. Tapped the 4-hour, we tapped the 15-minute up there, and all we did was come down to this 15-minute. Weren't even able to sweep a low. Now we're gonna reimburse this 5, unless this 1-minute order block holds, which was it's just the last line of defense here. But either way, we could probably queue up some good longs here. We just need a We need to inverse this 5-minute here. I'm hoping in the next 38 seconds we do get that inversion. We have this 1 minute order block forming. It's only going to be formed if price closes below the entire candle. But here, if we're closing above it and inversing that 5 minutes, I'm loving it for longs. We can honestly take some longs and feel confident that price will just keep bumping up. We can take it on MNQ. Yeah, that's actually not that bad. UZ 2024. It's pretty fucking obvious that we're just gonna keep pumping here. Do like four cons here. Let's see. Alright, turning there. We can experience some form of retracement. Like that, that's fine. 50, so we'd have to target 25 with cons though. 4 cons, it'd be like 33. Let's just do 33 here. Long position from here. 40 would be 20. 50 would be 25. If it's 4, do like 55. Somewhere around there would be fine. There's that high there too, that is very nice. This high up here. But as of right now, we'll go break even after we sweep those highs. And then just see if we can get the trade to play out very quickly. It's 55 points, which is 22 point. We need to go a little higher than that. What is that? That's like... $59. Yeah, 59 should work fine. Alright, I want to see some displacement here quickly. I want to see us just leave this area. It's pretty obvious bullish, and I think we will get that area fairly quickly. I want to see that. I want to see a higher displacement though. I really have high conviction here, so it's something to keep in mind. I mean, I could get one con off, but might as well just hold. If we get to like 100, I could probably close that up. I'm thinking about taking a partial, but like, I don't know, I'm too bullish here. I don't think we'll get back into that 5 minute. And then a break even seems weak here. Yeah, I don't wanna don't want to take a break even. But if I trail my stop, alright, we'll trail the stop, keep it there. I break even, and I want to see it just keep pumping up, giving me an A+ setup. Honestly, this is a very good setup, guys. Main thing about it is we're just fucking very bullish here. That's pretty much honestly the main thing, and we could target to make our money back from this area. So we could target, instead of like 500, we could target, you know, 300, whatever it is. But I want to see us tag that for sure. There's 200. So when we get above 50 again, we'll consider closing. But like I said, I like that area a lot. And this area up here is very nice. I feel like it'll definitely get hit. Alright, we're just gonna have to just, I guess, just watch this candles form. Okay, I want to see it rip up now from this area. Shit, honestly, we're gonna get break even here. Should I close it out? Let's see if we can go back above 100. It's above 100. Alright, I'm counting that. Only reason, let's see, is it above 100? It was, right? 103. Yeah. I believe we're gonna get break even here because there's this 2-minute inefficiency really close to our break even. So maybe we get a retracement and we could fucking get another trade in. And I'm taking that because on my funded futures it counts as a trading day. But yeah, we're definitely gonna get some break even here. That's good though. We're only down by, what is this account? Oh, that's an eval account, which has still been on here. I need to check what's up with that. Give me a second. I need to make my screen disappear. Yeah, but it's been pretty good trading wise. Actually, give me a second. I don't even need to do that. I could just fucking Mac OS. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And as you can see, we got break even right about, it's about to happen right now. That's why I closed, because sometimes you gotta, it's like experience that shows you, okay, well, we're like, you know, we're probably gonna go back down for a retracement because we took out external liquidity, and there's that break even right there. So it was, yeah, we got it. We tapped it. It's very quick with limit orders, selling, but with buying, it's always slower. Or I think it's the opposite. Sorry, with buying, it's quicker, or I don't remember. But yeah, we got break even, especially since that wasn't where my break even was. My break even was like right there. So for sure break even. So I'm glad I got out. I told you there's gonna be that retracement into that 2-minute, which I don't believe we'll get this 5-minute. I want to see that as a balanced price range, and if we even tap into it, I want to see like right here for a rejection. I don't want to see the consequent encouragement of that balanced price range be met at all. I want to see us, because we're very bullish, you know. Let's go to the Nasdaq here. So let's see how we act here if we get this 1 minute fair value gap right here formed, and we break above, that'd be nice. But I want to see a little breaker here. I want to get something that's like, you know, a solid A plus, because we've been getting alright trades, but I need more. I'm hoping we don't inverse this now, because it's not really. I wouldn't consider this an A plus, considering we're such at a premium. But at the same time, it's just a very bullish market. I don't know. We can take it. That's the thing. We can take it if. Nah. We're in a very bullish market. That 1 minute inversed now. Very nicely, actually. This one can be taken on Nasdaq, but too much in a premium relative to this range right here, and I don't know. I kind of want to see a breaker to trade off of. There's no, I mean, there's this high, low, high, higher, high. It's such a mid breaker. I want to see. We're gonna get a better trade. We're gonna get a better trade than this. I know we will. This is a very icky trade. Let me see. Yeah, I mean we're very bullish here, but we'll set up a lot better trade than this. Honestly, that's such a premium relative to this range. And I want, and if we're gonna take anything, I want to see a breaker. You know, and while some might consider this a breaker, what the fuck is this gonna support? Let's be honest here. Look how tiny it is. Like, fucking ES would demolish that itself. And look at ES, you know, like. Alright, let's see. Let's just wait. Let's see if we could get something like a closer below this and then continuation higher. That'd be a very good trade here. Especially not tapping this 5 minute. It demonstrates that we are bullish, and that is a balanced price range. I don't want to see it really tapping it, and I would be cool with it if it gets tapped by about like this much, the 50%. If it closes below there, it's over. We're closing the charts, honestly, because at that point we're just either going to consolidate or start moving lower slowly, and I don't want to be in that by that time. All right, let's see here. Yeah, we're just gonna wait here. We might just actually give me a moment here. Still no optimal trade entry. You know, if I was, we're just really bullish, but if this was a normal market where, you know, price fluctuated a little differently, if we close this 1 minute, then we'd have a potential short down into this 5 minute. Just saying. I'm not gonna take it, right? But if we close something like this, you know, we weren't super bullish where shorts would get failed every single time. That 2 minute for me. That is. But yeah, this is something to keep in mind here. But no, absolutely not. We're taking longs in a bullish market, in a market so bullish where, yo, has my screen been black the entire time? Oh no, no, it's been good. I just went back to my YouTube and it seemed like it was black the entire time. But in a market that's so bullish, where we're trading at all-time highs, the last thing you want to do is call a top and short, you know. But unless proven otherwise, unless it's really an A plus. But yeah, I'm saying if conditions were different, that breaker that we would have formed going lower. But now yeah, it was based on this SMT as well. So the fact that we're not getting this SMT, this is definitely not gonna work out. Oh, but I do want to see some longs play out. Also, if we did take this long, we would have gone break even, because my trade would have been like entry right there, and then I'd get break even as soon as we get up there. Tell my stuff to break even. This candle would come down, get me break even, and then my other trade that I told you I would get break even on, I did. It was that 5-minute closure here, and I entered. It was a 2-minute below us. Where was it? Oh, it was on the MNQ. It was a different chart. MNQZ 24. Yeah, you can see how we did tap it. But we were up there for a while, and then oh wait, this was the wrong trade. Where were we, dude? I entered here. Oh yeah, yeah. So we were up there, and then that's when I closed. I closed somewhere around here, where it gave me just enough for my funded futures to be like, hey, you made a profitable day. And then we came down, tapped our entry, which was there. No, yeah, it was there, but our break even was like around here, I believe. I mean, you could check your account summary, orders. We had filled. I want to see a buy. And then we had a sell at 637. That's the TP, and then 7825. 7825. Which was right there. 7825. That would have been our stop out right there. Or I mean our break even. So hey, we clutched up with it. Experience. That's something experience only teaches you. Yo, look at that short. Fuck. Shit. That looks so good. Okay, we have a 4-minute below, 3-minute below is actually, but fuck, that 2-minute looks so solid if we click that close. But I can't short it. Oh no, we got equal highs. Absolutely no shorting. Equal highs, yeah, we're gonna go down into this 5-minute, and then we're gonna get some nasty ass longs. Okay. there's this volume imbalance that might be enough for the price to continue moving higher. The 5-minute is down here, by the way. So that's, there we go, we're tapping it. Slowly but surely, guys, slowly but surely. And from there, I want to see a little breaker form. There's equal highs as well. Yeah, this is looking like a good long. And there's a 5-minute right there that tapped it. But do remember what I told you. If we tap it and we get some, remember I said on live, we get a little retracement right when we tap it right there, it'd be the best. And then let's see if we can get this 3-minute reverse. If this 3-minute reverses, then we don't need any breaker. It's a 4-minute. Okay, well, let's see if we get the 4-minute end. Now we do have this like little, it's a better than what we had when we traded it here. We have more structure. We'll see though. We will see. So we close below it, right? We close below this candle right here. On this candle, we close below this one, leaving this as a bearish order block. So now, if we close above it and we inverse the 4-minute, we're not gonna go back down here. We're probably gonna take out these equal highs and then continue going higher. And if that's the trade, I believe, say the 4-minute closes there. Putting our stop below that. Yeah, we probably wouldn't even need to. Would catch a 20-point trade. That's 400. We wouldn't even need to worry about using on the MNQ, like getting in on MNQ. We developed equal. Okay, never mind. All right. Remember what I said? I don't want to see it close below it. Damn, remember what I told you though? Oh, look at that 2 minute. Fucking hell. I told you, bro. In a different day, if we weren't so bullish, I'd have snapped that. If we weren't trading all-time highs, I'd have taken it. That 2 minute. Look at it, man. It looked so. It was obvious, and that's why I kept saying it. But I can't take it because it's like we're so bullish, where it was just sketchy, especially with the equal highs above us. You know, that's just telling me, hey, bro, you should probably chill out for a second. I don't know, but we have a CPI tomorrow, I believe. Let's check the news for tomorrow. Yeah, we have CPI at 8:30. So that's it's gonna be a good day tomorrow. As in, it's gonna be volatile. But that's good. That's what we want. We need volatility. Mm. Okay, it's icky. Price may continue going lower if we close below 50% range. There's this balanced price range right here, but if we close, like I told you, if we close below the mean threshold of it, though, then I mean classic encouragement of it, then we're out. And we did close on it on a 1 minute candle, but it's not enough. I need a 5 minute closure of that. There's 2 minute, but this is gonna be the weakest trade right here. If we were to take it, it would be the weakest long. It can work out. It can work out, but it would be the weakest. As in, there's nothing supporting us besides this 5 minute balanced price range, which we did not close. I mean, yeah, we didn't close the consequent encouragement of. But it's the weakest because we could come back down one more time and then go up there because we have nothing else supporting price to continue going higher. It would only be an inversion fair value gap, and while that's lovely, right, and it can definitely work, it's not enough for me at least. Maybe what I would take for a long year, what I'm looking for is a breaker setup. So maybe we'll go down here and then one more inversion higher on like a 1 minute basis. Then I'd put my stop below the breaker low and target those highs, and that would be the A plus setup. So it'd be like that. So I'd look at something like this. From this candle, we move down here, and then move down here, and then back up here, and that way I'd long here, target there, stop below that low, and that would be the target, and furthermore the high that I marked up out there. But since my funded futures has a 40% consistency rule, I can't violate it. I'd have to take around there 20 points, which is fine. Would probably get it really quickly, and that's cool. But with a much bigger account, I would have taken it there. And let's say it's a 150K account, bro. Oh, dude, this would be the best trade ever. I'd take two cons, partial there. I like the 1-to-1, and then TP there for the final TP. So that would be like solid ass 1.2, 1.3K day. Very good trade though. Two minutes still yet to invest. I hate when price action is so icky like that. But let's see, maybe we get this breaker coming in now. Because there's no breaker that's valid right now. Like, there might be someone looking at this low, high, lower, low, but it's like, bro, what are you looking at? It's not really a breaker. We have this little candle right here, and that's the only up close, but it's lower than this low. Like, it's weird. It's not really a breaker. I know there's people out there looking at it as a breaker, but that's not what a breaker is. There we go. A little push down off of the 2 minute, getting respected. If anything, the more higher probability trade than that 2 minute inversion would have been this 1 minute inversion lower. This looks like it's gonna go lower. I think we might get what I want to see, which is a breaker formation. And for those who don't know what a breaker is, this is a breaker. A low, a high, and a lower low. That's a breaker. And then when we get above here, we get this high, this up close candle supports price moving higher. We closed the 5 minute, and it looked like we respected the mean threshold of our consequent encouragement of this bounce bright. Yeah, we did. Good, that's good. It's very good. I want to see very quick trade here, or very quick pen down and then go up within literally the next 2 minutes. And I say in the next 2 minutes, I said that because I don't want to see, because if we get around here and we close below the mean threshold, I'm consequent encouragement, sorry, I'm done, like, with the chart for today. I mean, I might even take shorts, honestly, but just, I can't wrap my mind around shorts in a market like this, you know, like, yeah, there's no way. But keep in mind, though, if we do get shorts, this area, for sure, this area is gonna get ran through like a motherfucker if we get shorts. Like, it's funny because we've been respecting this 4 hour and the 15 minute above us for quite some time now. Like, it's making me think maybe we do get some shorts going here. Never inverse this 15 minute, did we? No. In fact, there's like a little low, higher, high breaker that we've been respecting. Interesting. I don't know, I just can't wrap my mind around it, dude. Like, I'm thinking if we get up here, around here, and we short, like, it's just hard for me to wrap my mind around shorts right now. And I never marry a bias, and I don't marry a bias ever. But when the bias marries me, it's hard. Oh no, like, it's I don't wanna. It's because we're so prone to just keep moving up that we have a higher chance of getting stopped out. I would say like a 30% extra chance of getting stopped out in a bullish market. I say 30 is fair. Okay, now that we have still a closure above the consequent encouragement of this candle. This next new 5 minute, I want to see that move lower and then continuation higher. I'm hoping we leave this 1 minute open so that way we can have that inversion higher. I wonder. Give me a moment here. There we go. We're having a breaker formation here. That's something I want to see. Oh yeah, this might actually work out here. Let's see if there's an SMT. There is. But it's not as deep as I wanted it to be. But it's just enough. Yeah, it's just enough where if we get this 2 minute inversion right here, we'll most likely keep running higher. It'd be nicer if we took this low out though. Just saying. But this is definitely enough for us to run higher. Let's see here. 15 seconds. Q went up. Let's take some nice longs here. Oh, I need that. Did we inverse? What the fuck is that? We did. I'm taking that right there. Okay, our entry was here. So even better. So to get 20 points, it'd be around here. Right there. That's good, 20 points. It looks pretty strong still. Alright, I'm gonna need to go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back, but I need to manage the trade to go break even quickly after we take out those equal highs. That's the thing. I want to see a displacement through that shit. I want to see it go fucking skyrocket through that shit. That'd be the best case scenario. Keep going. Skyrocket. There we go. That's that skyrocket I wanted to see. Wait, what the fuck happened? Oh, okay. We got stopped out. Alright, well. Wait, what? Damn, it stopped me out, like, perfectly enough to fucking... I don't know. Yeah, no, that trade made me break my confidence as soon as this candle developed like that. But, I mean, whatever. Honestly, we're gonna call it a day here. I don't believe we're gonna get any more setups. And if anything, let's be honest here. It looks like we're just chopping around for a second there. We're getting out. We got out of break even because we took out those equal highs. So I'm glad it was a good day though. But you can see how I lost my confidence right there, and there is a reason why I did. Look at this candle, and then we come up, take out those equal highs. Luckily, gracefully, the market gave us an exit out. I mean, it's still good, you know. $100 day isn't bad. So make sure nothing's there. Let's cancel. Okay, cool. Yeah, look at that. We'd have got stopped out. All right. Well, maybe we get another break. Okay. Let's sit on the market. Let's see here what we do. You know, it's never a bad idea to just wait the next 15 minutes, because there is 9:50. 10:50 to 11:10 macro that's starting out. So we'll see here. Oh, dude, if this runs without us on this candle, that would be pretty annoying. Yeah. Come on, give me that low. Take that low out, and then, yeah, there we go. Okay, now, oh, dude, this might be the best. Ooh, if we get this right here, that's gonna be an A+ setup right there. Tell me now, is there an SMT? There's still an SMT, and it keeps rising up. We got 10 seconds here. Let's see it pump. I said pump, not dump, dude. Come on. Alright, we got 1 more minute here. Let's see. Shit, if we're inversing this, then that means we're very bearish, and we could smack some shorts here. Now we have this high, low, higher, high breaker formation. But we'll just see in this next 5 minutes. Like I said, I don't want to be shorting this market. Unless we get like some obvious ready to short structure. But where did we get that? You know, if this candle right here and this one and this one and this one, like if they closed really below these lows, then sure, I'll take a short. The fact is, we didn't do that. Yeah, man, these shorts would play out though. Yeah, I'll put my stop like above here. I'm not gonna take this, but in different circumstances, same thing as over here. If I were to short, oh, look at that, stop above there, and then I'll TP, you know, at 20 points because that's my funded futures. I need to get my 40%. Right there would have been the short, and then continuation lower down to London lows over here. There's a nice liquidity pool there, but we have the PM session, so we'll be able to feel it out more. Maybe take shorts in the PM session if we have a clear market structure shift. Like, let's say if we displace through this 15-minute around here, or like we go back up here and then we displace through this 5-minute during the PM session, then we'll take some nasty ass shorts. But wow, that was actually, yeah, okay, that was an eventful AM session. I'm ending it here because I don't expect myself to be entering a trade in the next 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Absolutely not. Okay, I'll see you guys PM session.